So after months of wild rumors and secret leaks, the iPhone SE 4 might finally be hitting our screens as soon as this week. I know, it's been one heck of a ride with all the speculation, and now things are really heating up. Let's take a little trip down memory lane. Imagine scrolling through your social media feed when suddenly you stumble upon some intriguing images. That's precisely what happened when Spigen, the popular accessory brand, released some early glimpses of what appears to be the upcoming iPhone SE. Just as we were starting to take a closer look, they swiftly removed the pictures. But fortunately, Notebook Check managed to save copies for us. These leaked images provide some thrilling details. On the back, there's a single camera lens, along with a flash and an autofocus sensor, plus an extra button on the left side that could be perfect for capturing snapshots quickly. And on the front, instead of the sleek dynamic island design we anticipated, we're faced with the return of a classic substantial notch. It looks like Apple is choosing a more straightforward design to keep the SE affordable, especially when compared to the premium iPhone 16. Now, here's where it gets fascinating. Trusted Apple insider Mark Gurman recently sparked the discussion on X, noting in his Bloomberg newsletter that the new iPhone SE is coming this week. Earlier, he hinted at it arriving as early as now, but his latest statements seem much more definitive. Since Apple hasn't planned a major event this week, we're likely looking at a quieter press release rather than a grand unveiling. And there's even more to look forward to. Rumors indicate that the new SE will come with a 6.1-inch OLED display and be equipped with the A18 chip, the same powerful processor expected in the iPhone 16. Also, USB-C is finally making its way into the iPhone SE lineup, which is a significant upgrade, especially for our friends in the EU who have been eagerly waiting for this change. Other speculations include a potential shift from Touch ID to Face ID, and possibly a new action button that might replace the traditional mute switch. It feels like everything is aligning perfectly. Oh, and here's a fun little detail. Spigen's order page even labeled it as the iPhone SE 4th generation before it was quickly taken down. That tiny hint just adds another layer of excitement, confirming that we're on the brink of something big. So, what's next? If all goes well, we might receive more updates as early as tomorrow, February 11th. Trust me, you won't want to miss our breakdown when Apple officially releases the news. Thanks for joining in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the iPhone SE 4 right here on Dr. Tech, and I'll see you in the next video.